Hey guys, today we're going to be making Jamaican fried dumpling.
So here we have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. We have 4 tablespoons of white sugar. We have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and we also have 1.5 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to add a surprise ingredient to it. I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of all-purpose adobe seasoning, and I'm using cold water. Right, I'm using ice water because I don't like the feeling of the dough on my hands. Everybody have their own little thing with them. Don't like more cooking, and it's the feeling of flour on my hand. I don't like how it feels. So I feel that the cold water just gives it a different feeling. So that's the reason why I'm using cold water. You can swap it out for room temperature water, but personally I like to use cold water because I just don't like how the dough feels on my hands. Okay, so we're going to be adding our baking powder, adding our salt, we're adding the sugar, we're also going to be adding a pinch of the adobe seasoning. Then you combine everything together. So the dough is finished. I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like. So the dough is finished. You're gonna let this sit for a little while before frying, or you could just go ahead and put it in the Ziploc bag and in the cooler. So we have our Ziploc bag. This is what we're gonna be using to store it. So there you go, guys. This is our fried dumpling dough. Okay guys, so we're now ready to fry our dumpling. So we're gonna remove it from the Ziploc bag. Here's the secret. A lot of people, they like to use flour so that it doesn't stick to their hands. Personally, I prefer using oil because I don't like to have floury substance on my hands. So I'm using some oil so that it doesn't stick. We're gonna be frying about 4 of these. This is the oil that we have prepared. You want to make sure that the fire is not too hot because it's going to burn the dough before the inside is cooked. So this is the oil that we have ready. We're going to fry these. Alright guys, so we're ready now to add our fried dumpling dough. So you want to make sure that the oil is hot but not too hot. Make sure that your dough is flat. This is what the finished product looks like. It's really crunchy on the outside. You could see it for yourself. Golden brown. These are wonderful. These are going to be great. I want you guys to subscribe to the channel and remember to turn on post notification bell. Let me go ahead and sample it to see what it actually tastes like. Oh my god, so good.